right, how we doing, CBT Lions? Coach T back here after our spring break. I hope you all had a great break. I hope you were able to rest and relax, but I also hope you were able to do some fun things, get outside. It was really nice weather over the break, so I hope you got a chance to go outside and have some fun too, okay? So welcome back. All right. Again, it's unfortunate that we're not at school. Man, I miss you guys a lot. I'm thinking about all of you. I hope you guys are doing great. All right. So we're going to do two things today. All right. It's going to be very simple. Number one, it's just going to be kind of fun and silly. And then I'm going to have you watch a little video, and you're going to respond to me. And I'll go into that a little bit later. But that's going to be your attendance. Okay. So the question from the video is going to be your attendance for today. Okay. So here's what we're going to do first. All right. This is a coach's challenge. All right. So we're going to see how many flips we can do in 1 minute. All right. So here's what you're going to be flipping today. Okay. So again, now that we're home and, we don't have a lot of equipment with us, we got to improvise and we got to find anything that we can to, come up with some activities and come up with some games. So I was thinking over the break, I'm like, what could I do or what could I use to kind of come up with a little fun activity? So here's what I came up with. All right. So number one, you'll be using a toilet paper roll. All right. So hopefully you can borrow a toilet paper roll from mom and dad to say, hey, I need one for PE. All right. And then number two, I'm going to use a spatula. All right. So spatula, toilet paper roll. All right. That's all you need. Okay. So you're going to find that this activity is very similar to when we play the pancake tag. All right. So you know how we do our like flips, and when we talk about like when we use the lollipop pedal at school, it's usually when we are doing racket activities. Okay. So what we're going to do today with the spatula and the toilet paper roll is we're just going to try and do some flips. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to keep the toilet paper roll on top of the spatula, just like so. All right. Now we're going to try to flip this toilet paper roll and catch it. All right. Now, obviously, it depends on how big the toilet paper roll is. Depends on the surface area of the spatula. Okay. So if it's bigger, you're going to have a better chance. If it's kind of thin and smaller, it's going to be a little difficult. Okay. So really just kind of play with it, have some fun with it. This is going to be kind of hard for me to do too, but I'm going to try it out. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and see how many flips I can do in 1 minute. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and set my timer in a second here. All right. So really what you want to do is the main thing is like to help yourself to catch it. Okay. It's going to be difficult, but you don't want to just kind of stand and go like this and then flip. Okay. Remember, you want to kind of bend your knees a little bit, get yourself into a nice athletic position so that you kind of move your body, move the spatula. Okay. Bend your knees a little bit. Okay, so this is very similar to, like anything that we do when we want to reduce the force of an object. So, for example, like if we're trying to control a pass in soccer and someone kicks the ball, okay, you know how we kind of bring our foot back to kind of control it. So if it's coming to me, I want to kind of control it like that. All right, I don't want to just stick my foot there and then have the ball hit it because it's going to bounce right off. Okay, so it's very similar with this. The spatula and the toilet paper roll, or a bean bag and a lollipop paddle, something that we kind of use at school. Okay, so when we're doing our flips here, okay, I'm just going to kind of stand right here. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of flip it. I don't need to go a big flip like that because obviously it's going to be kind of difficult. So all I really need to do is just a nice easy flick of the wrist. Okay, so just like that. All right, and then when it's coming down, remember you want to kind of drop that spatula with it so you can catch it. Okay, so it's here and then catch. Okay, here, catch. Catch. Okay, so just like that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this in 1 minute, and I want to see if you can beat me. All right, here we go. Ready? Hopefully you can hear my timer so you know. All right, here we go. Ready? We're going. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 spatula and toilet roll flips in 1 minute. All right, there's my timer. So I want to see if you can beat me. All right, if you can, send a video my way. All right, if not, best of luck and try again. All right. Okay, now that we did that, your second assignment for today's PE is you are going to watch another Believe in You video. All right, this is a story about a high schooler named Zach. Again, super inspirational video. I love watching these videos because they really inspire me, and I hope they are inspiring you as well. So go ahead and watch the video. I will link it onto your page for PE distance learning. And here is the question you will answer for me, okay? All you got to do is respond to me in the Google chat. If you can't do that, email me, okay? It's jtowning@tarboot.com, okay? Here's your question. Okay, number one, easy, okay? Who inspires you, okay, and why do they inspire you, all right? So here's my example. Someone that inspires me is my dad. My dad is a big inspiration in my life because he's always put in a lot of work. He drove miles and miles to go to work every single day just to make money and put food on the table for me and my family. So he's just done so much for me in my life. He's a big inspiration. He's taught me so many life lessons. He's always been there for me. He takes care of me, looks after me, looks after my mom, and my brother. He's just been someone that's always been there for me. So my dad is a big inspiration in my life. All right, so I want to know about your inspirations. Okay, so it could be someone famous, it could be an athlete, it could be your mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, aunt or uncle. It could be anybody. Okay, so just please, that's your assignment. I want you to let me know who inspires you and why do they inspire you. All right, pretty simple. Okay, so I hope you guys are doing well. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. And we will see you on Wednesday. All right. Have a great day, Lions. And hope you're getting back into the swing of things after spring break. All right. Take care. See ya.